What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So from the intro, it's no surprise what I'm going to be showing you. This is the Scosche Magic Mount. It's like a free flow vent mount. Free flowing mean obviously there's holes over here, so it's not blocking any air, AC or heat or whatever your car might be throwing out. And it's a really awesome design. Guys, in the box, well packaged, by the way, and this is less than $20. I've been looking for a while and I wanted to buy something where it's cost effective and it does the job. That's pretty much what I do. So sometimes, you know, expensive just isn't all that it's cracked up to be, so to speak. So guys, in the box you have your directions, you have their little booklet with different accessories, you have two different mounting plates, applicator pad right here, and you have this plastic film. Guys, my gimbal is not included, but anyway, and let me tell you, these magnets are pretty damn strong. So there's two different sizes of metal pads, okay? And the reason why they give you this plastic is if you don't have a phone case, okay? So let's say I didn't have a phone case and I wanted to put this metal piece to adhere to the magnet. If I wanted to put that on the back of my phone, I stick this plastic piece first. So I'll stick the plastic piece. Now, anybody with wireless charging, you might want to put the plastic piece over here instead of in the middle, just in case the metal pads disrupt your wireless charging. So wherever you want to put this, you obviously you peel the backing, you put it on here, and then you stick this portion to the plastic. So now when it's time to take it off, let's say you had to your phone breaks, you have it on the warranty or something like that, or you want to get a new phone, you're not jacking up the quality of your personal phone, so you can at least get some credit. You know what I'm saying? Now, the mount, it's not a complex design. You have this, the mounting portion, this magnetic portion, it can rotate 360 degrees. And guys, it's not loose by any means. I have to put a little bit of force behind it, so you know that when you stick whatever to it, it's not going to be wiggling and stuff all over the place. Now, this portion right here, this arm right here, it literally rotates, that rotates 360 degrees. And then you have this rubber piece right here. Notice it's really close together. That is what you insert into the vents, and it's a really tight grip. So let me see. Yep, once you slide that in there, this portion right here, it provides like a anchor, so it's balancing the mount, so to speak. So now this arm right here, as I told you, can be rotated however you want it. Okay, and this ball right here, you can rotate that 360 degrees and you're done. The cool thing is, my phone, this is my personal phone, it comes, this case that I bought, it comes with a metal backing right here. So now, and we're straight. So it's actually, it works pretty damn good. So I have the option, I'll probably put one of these metal plates on the back of my air ride controller and call that a day. But that's really it, guys. This is really self-explanatory video. Now, I will tell you this, the plates on the back of this, obviously it's nice and flat. I love the Scosche etching on it. I really love that. But these magnets that they're using here, these magnets are super high quality. And I mean high quality because this thing, it's it's a lot of force that thing is sticking on there with. So you can't go wrong, guys. Definitely like, subscribe, comment. It's a really cool design, and it's really inexpensive. I would definitely put this on your list. If you are up in the air for any type of phone mount, this would be the case right here. All right, guys, that's my time. I'll have everything in the description. I'll put an Amazon link as well. Take it easy.